Hello, bakers!
And welcome to the Love Kitchen, where we cook, make, and bake healthy recipes with love.
This is our head chef, Loretta Love.
And this is my assistant, Adorable Amika.
Today we are going to be making chocolate cake that is sugar-free and gluten-free.
The first step before all cooking or baking is to ensure that we wash our hands. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: cinnamon, butter, 4 eggs, 3 bananas, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, some water, vanilla extract, Himalayan salt, coconut oil, almond milk, stevia, and quinoa.
You will also need a cake pan, measuring cups, a blender, measuring spoons, and a spatula.
Pause the video here if you would like to look at the recipe. While you're doing this, set the oven to 350. Boil 2 cups of water with 1 cup of quinoa. Once it is boiling, set it down to low or simmer. Now coat your pan in coconut oil. In your blender, add half a cup of almond milk. Strain your quinoa and pour all of the quinoa into your blender and add your 4 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then blend until it becomes a creamy mixture. After blending, add half a cup of stevia sweetener and your 3 bananas. Add 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Melt 1 cup of butter or coconut oil. Now pour it into your blender and let it blend till it becomes a thick paste. Then put the thick paste into the pan. Now put it in the oven and set a timer for 40 minutes.
Hello bakers, I'm Lainey. I'm the camera crew and editor of The Love Kitchen. Since we're making chocolate cake that would be perfect for a party, what's a party without punch? So today I will be showing you how to make box punch. The ingredients that you will need are cranberry juice, orange juice, and sparkling water of any kind. But if you want your punch to be extra cool, add ice cubes.
Get a pitcher or something to put your beverage in. Then pour the orange juice halfway. Then add your cranberry juice. It should look like this. Stir. Then add your sparkling water. again, then pour it into your cup or glass and enjoy. After 40 minutes, the cake should be done, but just to check, put a fork in it. If it comes out clean, it's ready.
Now that our cake is out of the oven,
Let's dig in!
Someone on Facebook asked us if we had any bloopers, so here they are.
Yas, queen! Yas, queen!
Hello bakers and welcome to something.
Here, while you're doing that.
Well, I was about to say welcome again. Get. Where are you?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye! Beautiful.
That's a wrap!